Hey everyone. So today through this video, we are going to share with you how to install Feedofy on your Shopify store. So when you are at Feedofy app store page, you just click on add an app. The moment you click on add app, it will install this particular application on your Shopify store. You need to click on install app, and once you click on install app, the process starts. During that process, you will get a 7 days free trial. So whenever you will start the you will start the trial, you will not be charged any money for the first 7 days, right? And during that time, you can easily uninstall or install it again. So what we have mentioned here is start building today with our 7-day free trial. When we would confirm charge, it will again ask from us that, and it would again share with us that you are getting a 7-day free trial. And I click on a 7-day free trial, that I accept the trial. This is the first time the app is loading. So when the app will load, you would need to click on go to manage feed. Once you click on go to manage feed, you would get a URL. This URL can be used as part of dynamic product ads to run Facebook, to run dynamic product ads through a Facebook interface. So I copy paste this URL and I would use this URL inside of my Facebook ads. However, in case you have uploaded new set of products and you want to ensure that those set of products show right now, so you would click on generate feed. Please remember that this solution will automatically fetch new set of products every day. So normally what happens is that that automatic method actually helps in providing a solution wherein customer intervention is no longer required. So this is a video through which we wanted to share with you how to install Feedofy on your store. So this is how our app store looks like. You can see Feedofy is installed with 7 days free trial. We click on it and we get the first page back again. So in case you ever get stuck or in case you get busy, so you can just use this process by going to the apps section, then visiting the Feedofy section and clicking on go to manage feed to get your URL which can be used inside of Facebook. So yes, sometimes some users might also get this error. In order to solve this error, you just need to refresh and wait for 30 seconds to 45 seconds. So the page will reload and then it will start fetching. So you can see the blue bar. Once it reaches the end, it is complete. The process is complete. So now this is again your URL which you can use as part of dynamic product ad strategy to be used inside of Facebook ads. In the next video of ours, I would be sharing how to create dynamic product ads and how to create a catalog inside Facebook ads. Thank you.